Woo!
Oh, want to use them?
Who lights these fires, like in fireplaces, and why are they so low textured?
There's an M4
What
over
fire
here.
in the fireplace?
Huh?
I've never paid attention to the fireplaces. Where's the fireplace?
Over here. Wait, no, not this room. What do you? No, fuck you. Put your flashbang away, asshole.
What flashbang? No,
I saw your
look, come here,
flashbang.
come here. I was helping out the fireplace.
Oh. Good.
Ooh, a bag.
Take me to church. I need a gun, please have an M24. Oh, maybe give me an M4.
There's an M4 over here.
Alright.
You're gonna have to find your own ammo.
Alright, alright. What's everyone running for guns?
AKG3.
Yeah, AK and M16.
And what about you? Comment?
I'm 16 and a MP5K.
All y'all talk to me, get sniper rifles. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh wow,
What's
the
up?
circle is really on our side.
What?
Ooh,
The zone.
3x.
The circle.
Ooh, there's an SKS here.
Oh, alright, Comet, come to me.
Alright.
Cook time. I can award myself. I work to work.
Is this a car 98?
I'll
It-
give you the
Wait,
5.56 now.
Wait, come here. You're all the way the fuck over there? No, I don't give a fuck. You're coming all the way here. I don't care. I'm setting
What,
this
you
up.
don't want the M4 though?
No, I have an M4, but you come here. I'm setting this up.
Alright, fine.
Oh, did anybody dance to
I mean,
the...
zone's this way, but
Airplane
I'm
guns?
I don't care. I'm doing a bit.
I know, I'm coming.
Nobody danced to the airplane gods, huh?
I'm sorry, Paint's doing a bit.
Fuck Pain Nana's
It
bit.
dropped in the ocean.
That's
His
what he
itty bitty
my
wants.
bit.
bit all you want. Fuck
Oh,
my
I'll
bit
fuck
right
your
off.
itty bitty bit.
You can suck my bit. A little bit.
Gladly.
A little bit suck your bit?
We're
I'd
gonna-
go to full completion.
So we're gonna suck your little bit, a little bit.
I mean,
Yeah. Not
Suck
even the
my
full
bit.
bit.
a little bit, I said.
Yeah, probably
Now,
all of
which
it.
one do you want? The 4
Ooh,
or the
me.
8?
This one.
Wise choice.
Why does he get an 8?
So worth it.
So worth it. Bruh, yeah, it's before Jesus. Paint's an NPC character.
Yes, I wanted to be fucking an NPC. Now, which one do you take? This will guide you on your journey.
I'm dropping this 5.56.
Hashtag paint me become a voice actor.
This is all audition tape.
Now, where are we going?
Towards
Have
water.
Have you ever seen the dude that does Batman's voice for the video games in the animated series?
I don't recall.
Kevin Conroy. Have you ever seen
Yeah.
him do the voice like in the booth? It's so weird.
Don't people want him to play the Joker?
No, they want Mark Hamill to play the Joker because he voices the Joker.
No, it's the one that like has a crazy face. Maybe it's a different guy.
Maybe. Yeah, I mean, I still think Mark Hamill could play the fucking Joker. You see how we did the Trickster on fucking Flash?
Yeah, he could play the Joker.
No one has.
Oh, I got a car here. Did you guys find the drop? Is that what
I
you're
was
looking
gonna go for it, but I couldn't find a vehicle.
It's in the
I
middle
found
of
a
the
vehicle.
ocean.
Kenny!
Yeah, I was gonna drive to the ocean.
Car 98.
Kenny in the house.
Cake by the ocean?
Car 98. Not cake.
Cake by the ocean.
That's romantic.
Car 98. It's also a song.
There's an extra car 98 over there.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Depends on what you got for me.
3
Yeah.
times.
I have it 3 times. Come get it.
I don't wanna play with AK.
Come get
I'm
your
already-
stupid car 98.
I thought a weather rail was a
should
guy
I
on the
keep
roof.
the MP or should I keep the M4? What
M4.
do I don't know. The MP fucking shreds.
It does if you're
It's a shredder.
close range and good with it. Take
That's
the
what I
M4.
would be using.
Yeah, take the.
Where's the car 98 in this 2-story?
Yep, 2 stories, top floor.
I just want to shoot this thing because out with this gun.
I don't see no stinking drop out here.
It's the box that is red with a blue lid on it.
Yeah. I don't see that.
Uh-huh.
Did you see it?
No, I saw a drop
wait.
over there.
Target, I'm sick of you lying to me.
It's there. Look upstairs.
I'm upstairs.
Yeah, check
Goody.
the other. Woman,
Kenny was
do I
right.
have to
Target is
seriously hold
leaving
your-
Twitch for pub or YouTube for Twitch.
I did. I left Twitch for you.
Did sir.
Come here. And
Yeah.
hold this fucker's hand.
When it's not up there, I'll shoot you right in the butthole.
When it's up there, I'm gonna shoot you right in the butthole.
Okay.
Move, please. Oh, I missed extended mag. There's an extended quick draw here. It was definitely right.
Okay, now bring me your butthole.
Hold on.
And how far could they ship this
See,
out
right,
there?
right here, upstairs.
That's not upstairs.
I guess it could be anywhere in this
Want to
water.
bet? What do you call these right here? What do you call these right here?
Oh,
What
fuck
the
you.
fuck are those? What are
Steps.
those?
Steps.
Open your
Not stairs.
butthole.
Not
Open
stairs.
your butthole.
Not stairs.
Those are stairs. It was upstairs. I was correct.
You said on the second story.
I said upstairs.
No, now see, now you just remembered. You said second story.
I said upstairs.
Stick to your story. I see how it is.
I said upstairs.
Dropped an SLR.
Oh, see, he has an SLR.
A slur.
You got to be good to use an
Hey,
Kar
hey
98
man.
anyway.
Hey man, don't be dropping slurs over.
I see no drop of such.
Alright, I'm gonna go and get it then. Oh, we have one of my friends in here. We're gonna lose.
Comic, you're in the
See
wrong
auto
place.
aimbot?
Yeah.
Huh?
There's a guy named Auto Aimbot, and apparently that's Kyle's friend.
He's like 3 times better than me.
Oh,
He's
so
really
we must
insane.
kill him.
Spyro, I also know him. Oh, that's a fucking team then.
Oh, stupid shit. Just killed Bojack.
Never heard that guy.
I just
Alright, Paint, apparently they're leaving us.
Well, I was looking for this drop, and I asked you guys if you wanted to ride, and you all just
I
kept
mean,
talking.
Apparently they're leaving us, Paint.
yeah,
Let's stay together.
I'm just running.
Fuck these hoes.
Well, Paint's right here. What?
No, he's not. He's with me.
No, he's
right
well,
over
then
here.
you're right here with us. What are you
No,
talking
my
about?
car is going away. No, 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 no,
This
no.
isn't your car. This is my car.
Oh, well, my car just took suicide.
Oh, okay.
Did it
Sucks
leave
to
a
suck.
note?
Why
Yeah.
good cars?
It drove off the cliff and suicided.
There's a 4X over here.
Good with that.
There's an 8X here. There's, I'm gonna drop the 6X. There's a 6X. Anybody want a
Do you
6X?
see that drop? No, you don't, because it doesn't exist.
It does exist. It's just you being blind
Tell me where it is then.
in the water.
Fuck you. I don't even think it's in the water.
It's with my car.
I'm gonna watch the replay, and then see how not water in the water it is, especially on your marker.
You can ping the drop now.
Yeah, you just aim at it. You can
Probably
probably
we
get
go
banned
down
for it.
further the beach. Probably get shot doing this.
It can't be further down the beach. But it can, but it can't.
But it shouldn't, but it will.
Yeah, maybe it's just like underneath the cliff and we can't see it because of that.
So you saying I
You guys
gotta?
are trying all this time to get loot. We're gonna die.
I
Well-
got loot already
Yeah,
Why are you trying to get a drop?
because I want it.
there might be an MK, might be a level 3 helmet for me.
Okay, okay, I hear you. And
I ain't going nowhere near those donkey dick motherfuckers. Cause there's another drop coming right next to me. It's gonna drop.
Target took all the 7.62.
This one's
so
going in the
gotta-
water.
There's 7.62 here as well.
If this one
Come on,
didn't
baby.
already drop.
Come on, baby. Shakalaka.
Boom,
shakalaka.
shakalaka. Nope, drop.
Yeah.
See, that one's in the water.
Told you. Boom shakalaka.
Just like the other one.
We'll see about that.
Y'all try taking my drop, I'm gonna fucking shoot you.
I'm going to get a boat.
Y'all try taking my drop, I'm gonna shoot you.
Nope, not your drop. You
Totally
don't
my
have
drop.
dibs.
I definitely said boom shakalaka and got it to drop.
Nope.
I mean, that holds up. Holds up in the
Someone
Cold
just
War.
flatlined.
Definitely holds up.
Nope.
I wonder how shallow the water is
Oh
here.
shit, this zone's already coming. God damn it! Alright, I'm not gonna go do it because I don't
I'm
see
already
a
down
boat
here?
yet. Well, you're gonna die out there is what you're gonna do. This is a big cliff. You ain't gonna be able to swim back.
I'm already
time.
in the water.
Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to swim out there and swim back and not die to zone.
What I bet?
Sure. Whatever's in the loot box.
See if I can find boat drops.
Hey, champ, do you have any extra 7.62? Because Target keeps lying.
Whoa,
Someone
who's shooting?
Yeah,
Yeah.
File's shooting someone.
Yeah, there's another guy going for the cliff. The drop, I mean. It's in front of me in 280.
File, come to this rock. Let me get some 7.62.
Where's this guy?
In front of us, 280.
Get out here.
Yep. You getting right at it.
You're lying about this guy too.
No, he shot at me.
Well, he's not shooting at me. Is he further?
Maybe.
Oh, now he shot at me. Oh, I see him.
Are you guys getting into fights without me?
Yes.
Oh my god, both drops are right next to each other.
Whoa.
I see
Two
both
out.
drops on
There's
my
one
screen.
up.
One of y'all
Damn it.
should have came out here with me. I can't carry both drops.
I need help. Someone shoot that guy. Okay, finally.
He's kind of behind.
Well, get me. 'Cause I'm not.
You got him?
There's still someone else because that guy's not too.
While I'm swimming out there, I'm gonna watch your stream.
I just killed 2 people with the vehicle. I'm assuming File knocked one of them.
That wasn't us who shot. Right?
Yep, nope. Hill.
If you guys happen to see a boat,
I was looking for one, but there's people shooting at you, I think. I see this guy.
then nobody's shooting at me.
He's dead. I don't know what he was doing.
Ain't a
think-
single person shooting at me.
Well, he was shooting from here, and he was sitting looking at you.
What phase is this?
3 or 4.
3?
Yeah.
I can get both.
This guy has an M24.
Oh, this is far side too? Fuck.
We... already have like
Yes, a
5
vroom vroom would be very, very helpful out here.
Yeah, yeah,
If not, I'll just do my best. I'll stand on one of them, boost up all the way, and swim as far as I. I'm already out this far. I've accepted my fate.
As you should. We told you bad idea. You nay-nayed.
Well,
You
by the
said,
time you
"I
told me
bet
bad
you-"
idea, I was already halfway down the cliff. There was no going back.
Oh shit. Wrong button.
Misfire.
Yep.
I'll see if there's a vehicle, but or a boat. I mean, But it's, like anywhere it would be, it's by a fucking town, and that town's looted, and it wasn't before. So
Alright,
I
there's
don't know.
one of them looted.
no boats.
Oh, it's not that bad of a circle for me. But I can't get on top of this fucking thing. Aren't you supposed to be able to stand on top of it?
The crate, yeah,
Yeah, I can't get on top
I'm
of it.
able to. I don't know. I know someone once had said that.
I've done it before.
Yeah.
If I can't get on top of this one, I'm gonna die with an arm. There we go.
Do I want to ditch anything? Not really. Paint, are you shooting?
No, I am.
Well, someone just by paint's area shot, so
That was me.
yeah. That'd help if I said paint. Are you shooting?
Oh, fuck me. Alright, didn't see that guy. He's over here.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm coming back.
Where's this guy died? Over here? I think he's in those
In those houses.
buildings.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it back.
We could pull back paint. We don't have to fight this guy.
No, but we also don't even have to really get shot if we don't keep picking our heads. I'm just re-grabbing some heals. I'm gonna see if I can pop shot at him. Lucky
I don't
pop shots.
see him though. Oh, I see him
see
now.
Hit
Damn
him.
it, I hit him once. Oh, I hit my guy once. Then he moves behind some crates.
My guy's in the second story
I'm not making
right
this.
in front of us.
Where are you? Yeah, I looked for a boat. I couldn't find one. You are so far out there. Oh, I'm sorry, Tari.
I'm 100 meters away from zone, but I'm not gonna make it.
We're getting snapped at. I don't know where.
One was on the right side by that.
Yeah,
Brick
one was on
buildings.
the 2-story. He's back in the window.
Target's gonna be dead. File left us to die. Wait, oh, you're looking at a different compound, aren't you?
This is depressing.
Yep, that one right in front of us.
Oh, that one, yeah. Wait, yeah, that one. I thought you were looking over at 75.
I had an
Hit him
MK4.
once.
I had an MK14 and an and I died.
I'm sorry, I really did try to find a boat twice. I just couldn't find one. 13 people.
How you holding up out there, File?
I'm good. My friends just
He's
died.
Oh, good. Now they can't kill us.
He just hit someone.
Ooh. I'm gonna boost up.
2 to the north of File, at least.
We're way too separated to really interfere with this fighting.
Damn it, they killed my friends. I wanted to kill them.
What?
If you guys start moving to File now, you can meet up.
Yeah, but we're also getting snapped at, and I don't know where.
I mean, we could pull back, but I feel like we have a good spot. Let's
Second floor, east 100, comic.
Yeah.
Nice
Hit
hit.
Wait. Right or left house?
Left.
Left house.
Here, I'll watch.
Okay.
Right
That's-
in that window you're looking at right now.
Yeah, I see him. Damn it.
A little.
Yeah, he moved. Ooh. There's another guy on that right side, though. He's not as good as a shot, though.
Oh, he's right there. In that. Nope. Comic, look at that house, the green and white.
Oh, he's right on the rock, yeah. And then there's one on that back corner. They're running paint. Ooh.
Yep. Hit him. I hit the one behind the rock directly in front of us. 100.
Yeah. Is he out of zone? No,
Nope.
he's in zone.
For now, he's
Where's his
not
buddy?
in that zone. His buddy's
Buddy
behind
is-
the houses. Guy from the rock.
Watch out, his buddies might look at us. File, there's a guy coming your way. Kinda. If you come to us, we're in zone.
Yeah, I'm coming.
He's coming.
There's,
He
there's
fl-
shot
yeah,
in the
he
back.
wrapped. He wrapped over to that other compound. The one you're right next to. Or no. More where that shooting's coming from.
File, the house you were just looking at is where he ran.
Oh. Maybe friends with that guy then. That fucking level 3 hero must be fucking hurt.
My level 3 gear's fresh as fuck.
Yeah, it's in the dead zone though.
Probably a little bit rusted now, laying on the bottom of a sea.
Those
That's
people are gonna
floating.
find like so many boosts if they come from us from northwest though. There's
Yeah.
3 dead people with like tons of heals. Where are they, Paint?
Right in front of File. He's on
Yeah.
40.
One's knocked. One's
Yeah,
knocked. There's another one.
I don't know if you have an angle on him. Oh, right
I-
there. Knocked one.
There's still a guy behind the windmill in front of him, east.
East.
He's running now.
I knocked one. I think his buddies maybe getting him.
File. It sounds like there's someone coming up behind you, buddy. I want to try to keep this angle.
One to your
Not
left,
trying to
File.
push up. $310. 3 left.
File's got one on fire, I think. He's out in the blue. Paint to your left, behind that wall. He's out in the...
Whoa, alright. Yeah, couldn't name for some fucking reason.
He's out.
Oh, I see people. 355 for me. They're running in the field. Oh shit, he sees me. He's got a level 3 helmet.
He's got an M24.
He just went to that little shack.
Did you go inside?
I don't know. He ran behind it.
He's
so I
in that
can't
shack
see.
you're running up to.
Bullshit!
Damn it.
He's the last one.
No,
No,
there's
there's
2
two.
more. Shit, that didn't go. See in the shack?
No,
He's fighting
they're
someone at the windmill.
on the wall to the north of the... Kind
I
of
heard
careful
someone
that.
right to us fire. Oh, right there. God damn it. Alright,
One left, one
Good
left.
shit, good shit.
I'm going for it.
No, no,
Wait,
just go to
wait,
zone.
wait
Go to
for
zone.
File. Wait for File.
Go to zone. He wasn't a knock. He was an insta.
Yeah.
No, there's... Oh, there's not. Okay,
No.
I thought there was 2 over there. Alright, back where we were.
Yep.
To your right, comic. Careful. I just heard something crawling.
File, where are you? What are you doing?
I'm coming.
I need you, baby doll. I don't need you coming. I need you here. See in the water, maybe?
He's on a cliff somewhere, so be very careful.
Well, I was here the whole time, for most
Yeah.
of the time. So unless if he like didn't take a shot at me,
How about shed?
I checked that little shed. He could be in the water. Or like he snuck up this side. I think he's in the water.
No, I don't think so.
We'll hold this zone. If we don't see him, he's in the water. If he doesn't come. But I'm starting to think he just, Oh, you see him?
No.
No, he's shooting the bush.
There, I'm boosting up.
You got any nades, comic?
No, I used them. I got cocktails. No
Check.
nades.
Throw a cocktail at that rock to your north.
North.
You said
That rock?
yeah. Because while you were running over to the ridge, I heard someone crawling. So I'm guessing either there or maybe the tree or something.
Yeah, but he'll have to, like, get up and run at some point.
Yeah.
I think he just went in the water, like, he slipped. And, like, now he's, like, just like, alright, I'm just in zone.
I mean, both of you were looking down at the water. That's not good.
Nope, that's not good. But, wait. Do I hear him? Could just be you running around. Where are you, buddy? Come out with your hands up!
Pan fight, pan fight.
I don't even have a pan.
Yeah, he can't be up here. It's like...
No,
What
that's
the
what I'm
heck?
saying. He fucking must have fell off or decided to swim up. Or maybe he went for the drop and just never got back up.
Alright, or when you can drop down there and look for him.
Well,
I mean-
let's wait a few more seconds before that. It's not like we're gonna be able to fight him. Let's see where zone is. If we have zone up here.
No, it's the last zone. It's just gonna turn into.
Yeah, well, where's the dot? Is what I'm
Yeah.
saying.
So we can actually boost up, and he can't. So even
Yeah, if he's
it's
down
a-
there, he can't
yeah.
even heal. We could, like, cook a med kit and kind of.
I mean, you'd see him if he was in the water. You'd see him. He can't
Well, no,
swim
if
under
he's
the
like
water.
up, up,
For...
if he. Oh,
Nade?
someone threw a nade.
That was File.
Oh
is
well,
that
we
what
got
we're
the
doing?
zone. Dude, please show up. I want to kill
Who the
you.
fuck is this guy?
Oh, I think there's the dot. This is where it's gonna end.
Yep.
Like right here.
Yep.
Just boost up. Oh well, you're already.
Pull your gun out just in case.
You don't know if this is like a hack or some shit. Also.
Look above you. Now that he says that, look above you. This
No,
whole
he
team's
would. If he
watching
was
File.
hacking, he would have just shot us by now. We're gonna see dead in a second.
Yeah.
Yep.
Good job,
I'm
Nicky.
gonna go see if I can find him.
Nicky Mini!
Nicky.
I didn't.
Oh. Alright.
Well, we got a chicken dinner. Chicken dinner.
See, Moses
Chicken
Mike, it
dinner.
happens every now and then.
Winner, 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 chicken dinner.
Was maybe the most boring chicken dinner, but well, it's a chick. Oh, 1,000 damage. It was a good game.
There you go.
What were these kills? There's a snipe. Wait. Oh, that was snipe. That was knocked out. I don't know why that. Alright.
Alright, good dinner.
Of course, our